Sometimes you can use your hand, just pull it out like right there. But the best way to do it is to use some sort of soft door remover tool. Now, in order to do that, you will have to find a spot right there, like this spot right there. It's probably your best spot right there, and push it out. Push it downward like this, and then you're gonna come up here and just don't pull it all the way out more than an inch, about that much. If you do, you can break this one if something got stuck or jammed. So I use one hand. See, just go easy on it, and you just kind of flathead's better on this part because you can't really see it. But I'm gonna use that one hand to pry it out like this. See how that come out? One coming out right there. So we're gonna have to take this part out and put it in here. So, but I'm gonna take the other side out too. So like that. Remember, I'm using only one hand. Right there. Now in this part, you're gonna have to take everything out. You're gonna have to take that 10mm out. There's one 10mm, and then there's another 10mm right there. And the 10mm, this is pretty loose. Someone must have took that out before. Same as the other side right here. Just make sure it's not gonna fall down. It's hard to find. Right there. And if you have to, just pry this out. Same as that one. Pry it out like that. It will just come straight out. Even though there's a clip look like that, like it's not gonna come off, it will come out. So there's another 10mm right there. I try not to usually I will not try to get that out because it's got an airbag that you might have to deal with, the airbag light. So don't take that out. Take this 10mm out and it should be coming straight out. Now I haven't really, sometimes I don't remember. I mean, honestly, that's why I post some of this in YouTube, because I can go back and look what I've done and how I did it. I kind of know exactly what to do later after I watch a video, my own video or something. But yes, I usually go back to my own video and check out what, how I forgot, because I forgot. And guys, if you are an installer, professional installer, if you see anything that I've done wrong, let me know. Maybe I can learn some from you guys too. So here we got that out. Pretty tight still. Something is holding. Oh, okay. It's gonna be a little bit tight right there, so you're gonna have to pry that out. I can't do it by one hand, so I'm gonna have to hold on to the pause the camera. So what I did, I hold one hand this way right here, and then this way right here, and I kind of shake it around a little bit and pull it out about 2 inches. And like so, a bunch of plug in the back. This is for the speaker plug, and this is for the power of the radio. So push this down right there and pull each one of them out. All of them should be about the same. And these are the 6 plug that you don't have to take out. You got that gray, the brown one, white, 2 white one, and then brown and 2 white one. That I am not exactly sure what it's connected to. I know it's connected to right there, but I'm not sure what that is. It's probably some sort of that's got a antenna. It's probably some sort of I guess I don't know what it is, but